Good day, everyone. I would like to talk about our project design and create fertilizing tools for the agricultural industry. Here is our group member, Mr. Zuraidi bin Dusin, Mr. Peter Masawal, and me, Frankie Asmin, under supervision of Mr. Abdul Razak bin Haji Muhammad Daim. We are from DKM 6X, Season 1, 2021-2022. In this presentation, we have three chapters. Chapter 1, Introduction, Chapter 2, Literature Review, and Chapter 3, Methodology. This semester final project must be implemented by semester 6 student as requirement of DJJ 5141 course to obtain Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. For the background of study, paddy fertilization is one of the most important activities for paddy cultivation in Asia. Normally, paddy cultivation can be done 3 times a year, which only take 3 to 4 months for paddy to mature and can be harvested. So to maintain the paddy fertility, enough amount and even distribution of fertilizer is required. Our aim is to design and create fertilizing tools that are affordable and convenient to farmers called paddy fertilizing tools. Usually, farmers performing fertilizing works by traditional method, which is by hand sowing fertilizer. It causes uneven paddy fertility and affect the production of rice. Direct contact with fertilizer can cause a skin irritation and risk of inhaling the fertilizer chemical. And also, the way of how the traditional methods work is non-ergonomic. The main objective of our study are to overcome uneven paddy fertility and increase production of rice. Second, to reduce the risk of health problem. Third, to overcome non-ergonomic methods of work. And fourth, to create fertilizing tools that are convenient and affordable. Scope of study, we focus on the paddy fertilizing tools is designed for only 1.5 meter long and 30 centimeter of height and able to withstand weight about 45 kilogram of fertilizer. And then the design is evaluated by comparing the distribution of fertilizer with traditional method. At the end of this project, hopefully we will achieve our objective and give benefit to the paddy farmer and indirectly improving our
Thank you, Frank.
agriculture.
I am Zuraidi. I will present about literature review of project. Scope of study for this project, we refer the relevant information about paddy fertilizing concept or theory, design selection, and previous design. Scope of study for this project, we refer the relevant information about paddy fertilizing concept or theory, design selection, and previous design. Concept of design selecting based on the specification of the existing paddy fertilizing tools, that is, manufacturing costs, maintenance costs, security factors, fabrication and installation process, ability and effectiveness, principle and concept of work. Design selected must be competitive and have necessary characteristics for the user. Charles must explain. The design consists not only of planning but is a combination of every knowledge that every designer should have. The design process is divided into 4 sections. It is identify problem that need to be solved, understand the problem, submit appropriate proposal to resolve the problem, and choosing a good proposal. And 6 steps that should be impressed on each design before an invention, that is, identify existing problem, to develop studies on existing problem, suit existing problem, analyze design to meet the requirement to implementation, the selection and evaluation, implement and selected solution. Paddy fertilizing tool is designed with PVC material of fertilizer tank and steel iron used for wheel support. The design of fertilizing tool also designed with small size due to easy for storage. Design selection for paddy fertilizing tools also evaluate size, weight, and use comfortable. Performance will be known or determined such as speed, frequency of use, type of load, power capacity. The previous study for this project, paddy fertilizing is one of an important to produce balanced paddy fertility. In internet resources, many fertilizing tools are sold on the market, but the design of paddy fertilizing tools to be built is not yet available. The design of the tools to be built is different from the tools of machine at the market. However, the purpose of this device is same as paddy fertilizing tools. A human study found that 18% of small-scale farmers unable own or purchase the fertilizing machine available on the market, as the selling price and maintenance cost is high. Advantage of paddy fertilizing tool is low maintenance and operation cost due to less moving part, durable and easy to maintenance, it does not require skill and competent operator, portable as it can carry anywhere easily, spare parts are readily available, has high security feature, doesn't require a lot of manpower to be operated. Disadvantage of fertilizing tools or machine available on the market, the cost of maintenance and operation of machine are expensive due to many moving parts. Example, motor, engine, lube oil, and fuel. It required highly skilled and competent operator to operate the machine, such as truck or drone. Difficult to find spare part of machine when experience breakdown. The fertilizing machine in the market is not durable and made from low quality material. Fertilizing machine in market only for liquid type of fertilizer.
Salam sejahtera and good morning, especially to Sir Dr. Jason, Sir Razak, and then to all my friends. Okay, now I want to continue with presentation about methodology in chapter 3. In this chapter, the method of project implementation will be explained starting from the planning until the paddy fertilizer tool is completed. So, to explain the implementation method of this project more clearly, the diagram, table, chart, and drawing will be shown. Also, the cost initial process of analysis carried out, including costs. Project implementation. The implementation work is the project according with the sequence of work. B has been planned before the implementation of the projects begins. The planning aspect is the important aspect ensure that the project implementation process runs smoothly. Adderley and achieve project objective. Now, we're going to look the Gantt chart. So the Gantt chart, we have two sections. We have the section and also we have the task week. And in the Gantt chart, we have color gray and orange. The gray is planning and then the orange is actual. So, is a number 1, 2, 3 week. We are planning to process this project, and then the next slide, work flow chart. From the start, project proposal and project selection, cost estimate, proposal presentation. So we have a discussion, and meet to supervisor, and then to select what the chapter or title to process the project. So if the title fail, we go back to a process project proposal selection. Prototype project. This is a prototype project. Okay, we have asymmetric drawing of prototype, photographic, asymmetric of drawing type, and then photographic and asymmetric drawing of well. The material selection. The selection material of this project from suitable and available materials where the material must have mechanical properties such as a strength to withstand load, appropriate to the dimension or design of the project. In addition, the selection should also be made based on the material durability. Cost estimation. The total of cost of material 327 ringgit, and then cost of additional material 92 ringgit. So the cost calculation 419 ringgit. Okay, this is two tools to be used. Okay, we little my presentation. Thank you.